Okay, so I decided to wash my brushes and sponges because the brushes is not too bad, but my sponges is overflowing from this thing, which means I need to wash them. So hopefully you guys can hear me over my stupid vent. So I have my whole little station here. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, but typically what I'll do is I'll use this, which is just the solid blender cleanser for all my sponges. I really like how this washes these. And then it's super dusty, but I use the Dr. Bronner's pure castor oil. This is the scent. I think this isn't scented, but I bought mine at TJ Maxx a long time ago for like $15, but you can find them on Target or Ulta. They all sell it. I don't know what fragrance this is. Maybe it's fragranceless. I don't know. But anyways, I usually put a little bit of the soap in here with diluted with water, and I'll just dip in my brushes in here. I'll show you guys how I do it. And then I have this, which is from JCap Beauty. This is their little scrubbing mat. It's super flexible, but I love it because it has a little ledge, so it allows the water to kind of collect in the middle, and it washes them really well. This is my favorite thing to use. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started and wash my brushes. Alright, and here we have them all drying up. I typically like to just put them like kind of like an angle, and I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but I roll up a towel. This is just like a regular face towel and I'll roll it up so that they're kind of like at an angle like this, so that if there's any water that was left in the barrel, it'll kind of drip down and it won't just sit there. I'll typically do that with all the bigger brushes, so I have them drying up right there. And then over here, I usually put all the sponges like this so that there's air ventilating and they don't get all moldy, you know, with all that bacteria. So this little Tupperware is for holes, and then I put it next to my window so that, you know, there's air circulating. And then what I'll do is later on the day, if I feel like the top ones are getting more dried up, I might like swish them around so that, you know, they're moving around kind of thing. I ended up putting my little brushes. These ones also I tried to put a little bit on angle, but because they're a smaller barrel, I feel like they're going to dry up a lot faster, so they don't need to be at an angle, but I still did a little bit of an angle so that they can dry up properly. And yeah.